Pau, currently taking Bachelor of Secondary Education major in Mathematics at Philippine Advent College Sindangan. Okay, so for today's video, we are going to talk about the triangle sum theorem. Okay, so we are going to make a video about the triangle sum theorem. We're going to explain the formula and at the same time the law regarding the triangle sum theorem. And by the way, before we proceed, this video, one of our project in our calculus subject with Sir Labrador. So I hope that I can explain clearly the things that are needed to explain, and hope you can learn from this video. Okay, so without further ado, let's start on explaining what is the triangle. We know that different triangles have different angles and side lengths. Okay, so but one thing is fixed. Okay, so with all those differences in their angle measurement, in their side lengths, there is one thing in common. It has 3 angles and 3 side lengths. 3 angles is always measured or add up to 180 degrees. So examples of the different type of angles, we have here what we call the isosceles, the equilateral, and of course the scalene. Okay, so when we say isosceles, those are the triangles with triangles that have 2 equal angles and 2 equal side lengths. So those are the isosceles. And when we say equilateral, those are triangles that have the same angles and same side lengths. Okay, so all are equals when we say equilateral. From the word itself, equi, meaning equal, equilateral. There is also what we call scalene, which is scalene pertains to triangles that have different angles and no different side lengths. Okay, so but we are not going to focus on these types or these different kinds of triangle. Okay, so our focus is about the triangle sum theorem. So what is the triangle sum theorem? One common property about triangle is that all 3 interior angles add up to 180 degrees. So this is the law of the triangle sum theorem. All 3 interior angles add up to 180 degrees, not 181 and not 179. Okay, this now brings us to an important theorem in geometry known as the triangle sum theorem. Okay, so according to triangle sum theorem, the sum of 3 interior angles in a triangle is always, okay, always, from the word always meaning all the time. Okay, the sum of the interior angles is always 180 degrees. Okay, so we can use the formula angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Let's have an example. Okay, so example, triangle ABC is such that angle A is equal to 38 degrees and angle B is equal to 134 degrees. And okay, so these are the given, and we are going to find the measurement of the angle C. Okay, so we have here the given, which is angle A is equal to 38 degree and angle B is equal to 134 degree. And now we are going to find the third measurement, which is the angle C, by using the given angle A and angle B. Okay, so first, we are going to use the angle sum theorem and then substitute. Okay, so angle A is equal to 38 degrees plus angle B is equal to 134 degrees plus angle C. So now we are going to combine like terms. 38 plus 134 is equal to 172 degrees plus angle C, okay, is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, so the next things to do is we are going to subtract both sides by 172. Okay, so 172 minus 172 is equal to 0. So 180 minus 72 is equal to 8. So now, therefore, angle C is equal to 8 degrees. Okay, so by checking your answer, if you want to check your answer, you can add 38 degrees plus 134 plus 8 degrees is equal to 180. What if there is only one angle is given? Okay, so find the missing angle x in the triangle shown below. Okay, so this is, so we have here 18 degrees, and we have two unknown angles right here, which is x and x. Okay, so first we are going to write it in a triangular sum theorem formula. Okay, so x plus x, so assuming that the first x is the angle A and the second x is the angle B and 18 degrees is the angle C. Okay, so x plus 18 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Next thing to do is we are going to simplify it by combining like terms. Okay, so we have here 2x plus 18 degrees, so we combine the x plus x, which is equal to 2x plus 18, and 1 is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, so next we have done combining like terms. We are now going to subtract both sides by 18 degrees. Okay, so 2x plus 18 degrees minus 18 degrees equals to 180 minus 18 degrees is equal to 2x is equal to 162 degrees. Okay, so to find the value of x, we need to divide both sides by 2 so that x will be the only one remaining. Okay, so 2x divide 2 is equal to x, 162 divide 2 is equal to 81, and therefore x is equal to 81 degrees. Okay, so the first x and the second x is equal to 81 degrees. You can check it by adding 81 plus 81 plus 18, and if it equals to 180 degrees, then your answer is good. Okay, so that's how you are going to find the angle sum theorem. Okay, so hope you learned from this video. Thank you so much for watching. That's all for today.